Window installation is a crucial service for homeowners in Eagle ID looking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, our team provides top-notch window installation services that ensure your home remains comfortable year-round. Whether you're interested in double-pane windows or vinyl window replacement, our experts are here to assist you with all your window needs in Eagle ID, including premium window replacement Eagle ID services. Energy-efficient windows are a smart investment for any homeowner in Eagle ID. These windows help reduce energy costs by providing superior insulation, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Our energy-efficient window installation services in Eagle ID are designed to maximize your home's energy performance while enhancing its curb appeal, making them an excellent match for window replacement Eagle ID upgrades. Double-pane windows are a popular choice for homeowners in Eagle ID seeking to improve their home's insulation and noise reduction. Our double-pane window services in Eagle ID offer a range of options to suit your specific needs, ensuring that your home remains quiet and comfortable throughout the year, especially when combined with window replacement Eagle ID solutions. Vinyl window replacement is an excellent option for those looking to upgrade their home's windows in Eagle ID. Vinyl windows are known for their durability, low maintenance, and energy efficiency. Our vinyl window replacement services in Eagle ID provide a seamless transition to new, high-quality windows that enhance your home's value and performance, supporting long-lasting window replacement Eagle ID results. Window installation services are essential for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your windows in Eagle ID. Whether you need window frame installation, window glass replacement, or window sash installation, our team is equipped to handle all types of window installations in Eagle ID, including comprehensive window replacement Eagle ID projects. Custom window solutions are available for homeowners in Eagle ID who desire unique window designs tailored to their specific preferences. Our custom window solutions in Eagle ID include a variety of window style options, window design consultation, and window measurement services to create the perfect windows for your home while supporting customized window replacement Eagle ID plans. Home window upgrades are a great way to improve your property's appearance and energy efficiency in Eagle ID. Our home window upgrades in Eagle ID include window sealing, window insulation, and window caulking services to enhance your home's performance and comfort, ideal for pairing with window replacement Eagle ID improvements. Window glass replacement is a necessary service for homeowners in Eagle ID dealing with cracked or damaged windows. Our window glass replacement services in Eagle ID ensure that your windows are restored to their original clarity and functionality, providing a clear view and improved energy efficiency, especially when part of a full window replacement Eagle ID project. Window frame installation is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows in Eagle ID. Our window frame installation services in Eagle ID address issues such as rot, warping, and damage, ensuring your windows remain secure and functional, making them a key component of successful window replacement Eagle ID work. Residential window services in Eagle ID encompass a wide range of offerings, including window maintenance, window hardware replacement, and window screen installation. Our residential window services in Eagle ID are designed to keep your windows in optimal condition, enhancing your home's comfort and security while supporting complete window replacement Eagle ID efforts. Window sealing is an important aspect of maintaining energy-efficient windows in Eagle ID. Our window sealing services in Eagle ID help prevent drafts and leaks, ensuring your home remains comfortable and energy efficient throughout the year, making them a valuable addition to window replacement Eagle ID upgrades. For top-notch window installation and energy-efficient windows in Eagle ID, look no further. Our residential window services Eagle ID offer a wide range of options, including double-pane windows and vinyl window replacement Eagle ID. Whether you need window installation services Eagle ID or custom window solutions Eagle ID, we have you covered. Our home window upgrades Eagle ID ensure your home is both stylish and energy efficient, supported by expert window replacement Eagle ID service. Window glass replacement Eagle ID and window frame installation Eagle ID are essential for maintaining the integrity of your windows. Our window sealing Eagle ID and window maintenance Eagle ID services help prevent drafts and improve insulation. With our window caulking Eagle ID and window insulation Eagle ID, you can enjoy a comfortable home environment year-round. We also provide window hardware replacement Eagle ID and window screen installation Eagle ID for added convenience, along with dependable window replacement Eagle ID. Our window weatherproofing Eagle ID and window sash installation Eagle ID services protect your home from the elements. If you're experiencing issues, our window leak installation Eagle ID and window trim replacement Eagle ID can address any problems. We offer window condensation solutions Eagle ID to keep your windows clear and functional. Explore our window style options Eagle ID to find the perfect match for your home, including choices ideal for window replacement Eagle ID. Accurate window measurement services Eagle ID ensure a perfect fit for your new windows. Our window safety features Eagle ID provide peace of mind for you and your family. With our window design consultation Eagle ID, you can create a custom look that enhances your home's curb appeal. Trust our residential window replacement Eagle ID for all your window needs, especially when planning window replacement Eagle ID updates. Energy-efficient window installation Eagle ID is a smart investment for any homeowner. Our double-pane window services Eagle ID offers superior insulation and noise reduction. Vinyl window replacement Eagle ID is a durable and cost-effective option for modern homes. For reliable window installation Eagle ID, our team is ready to assist. Custom window solutions Eagle ID cater to your unique preferences and requirements while supporting quality window replacement Eagle ID results. Home window upgrades Eagle ID can transform the look and feel of your living space. Our window glass replacement Eagle ID and window frame installation Eagle ID services ensure your windows are in top condition. With window sealing Eagle ID and window maintenance Eagle ID, you can extend the life of your windows. Our window insulation Eagle ID and window caulking Eagle ID services enhance energy efficiency, ideal for comprehensive window replacement Eagle ID work. Window hardware replacement Eagle ID and window screen installation Eagle ID add functionality and style to your home. Our window weatherproofing Eagle ID and window sash installation Eagle ID services protect against harsh weather conditions. If you notice any issues, our window leak installation Eagle ID and window trim replacement Eagle ID can resolve them promptly. We offer window condensation solutions Eagle ID to maintain clear and efficient windows, especially important during window replacement Eagle ID. Explore our window style options Eagle ID to find the perfect design for your home. Our window measurement services Eagle ID ensure a precise fit for your new windows. With window safety features Eagle ID, you can enhance the security of your home. Our window design consultation Eagle ID helps you achieve the perfect look for your property. Choose our residential window replacement Eagle ID for quality and reliability and the best window replacement Eagle ID experience.